Welcome back to the channel. We are back today with another video, and in today's video we will be featuring Klaiyi hair. Shout out to Klaiyi hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. Today we have a multicolor highlight 13x4 lace frontal wig. This wig has blonde and red highlights within. It's a body wave texture. She's 26 inches and she is gorgeous. It already came with curls, so after we finish installing this hair I will be curling the hair. So for the cap size, this is about an average cap size. This does have adjustable straps and an elastic band. This is a Swiss lace, so it blends really well into the skin.
Kiss me dangerous. Been so lost without you all about me. Getting anxious. Leave me, don't make it so. Eating dog right now. Feel lost, but I like it. Comfort in my sense, not about me. All I got right now. Feeling taste of resentment. Simmer in my skin. It's all about the stain on my shirt. You bitch on my nerves. Oh, nigga got hurt. Going back on my word. Image is thirsty. Still don't know my words. Still stressing perfection. Let you all in my mental. Looking too desperate, damn. Wait down this sunshine. I found a way to fuck it up. Still can't cry about the shit that I can change. Just my mind gotta get out of here. Tough crowd, I hate it. Can't stay in the dark right now. Feeling lost, but I like it. Comfort in my sense, not about me. All I got right now. Feel the taste of resentment. Simmer in my skin. It's all about the stain on my shirt. You bitch on my nerves. Oh, nigga got hurt. Going back on my word. Image is thirsty. Still don't know my words. Still stressing perfection. Let you all in my mental. Got me looking too desperate. Damn. Isn't what you say and how you do me. I'm supposed to trust, baby, supposed to love, but ain't supposed to hurt this way. All I need is the best of you. All I got to say, give me all of you. In the dark right now, feeling lost, but I like it. Comfort in my sense, not about me. All I got right now. Feel the taste of resentment. Simmer in my skin. It's all about the stain on my shirt. You bitch on my nerves. Oh, nigga got hurt. Going back on my word. Image is thirsty. Still don't know my words. Still stressing perfection. Let you all in my mental. Got me looking too desperate. Damn, you ain't deserved.
Just hung up the phone and I could already tell that you come here home intoxicated. Ooh, so you better take your time. Me, 'cause I remember last time you wouldn't make love to me. Then you fell fast asleep. Wouldn't even talk to me. No, say I'm so crazy, baby. I'm so crazy. I wanted you to raise my mind. I got keys. Breathe for me. I wanted you to raise my mind. Breathe for me. I wanted you to raise my mind. They said you got high as the sky. Up all night just dancing. Oh, I hit you like, please come home to me. Come home to me. But you're not understanding. No, you gon' make me beg, make me plead, please. Wanted you to raise my
Okay, so now we are back and the hair is laid. I did decide to do a few baby hairs. I did slightly layer the front of the hair. The hair is super soft. I'm able to run my finger. I'm like touching all in this hair as I'm doing the voiceover, but the hair is gorgeous. Shout out to Klaiyi Hair for sponsoring today's video. I will have all the links down in the description box in case you are interested. If I have a discount code, that will be in the comment section. As per usual, let me know how you guys are feeling this hair and these colors. I love these colors together. This is like, it's really pretty. But yeah, that's about it. I will see you beauties in the next video. Bye.